Good morning children, how are you? See children, in our last class what we have discussed, we have discussed about a poem named Listen. What is the poem name, Nana? Listen. Listen ante enti vinadam. Okay, what we are listening here in this poem. Already we have discussed that we are listening the wind which is coming in the night time from the trees. We are listening the grass which are waving in the summer season. We are listening the time which is going on. We are listening the sound of the dew, sound of the snow which is falling on the morning time. Okay, and we are listening the moon which we are observing in the sky, which climbs the sky, and also we are listening to the trembling leaves, mist in the trembling leaves. And already we have discussed the questions related to the poem. Now coming here, we have discussed how to write these matchings also we have discussed. Now today our story, Nana, the brave baby. What is the story name? Brave baby. Lesson completed. Already we discussed all. Okay. Now the lesson name is the brave baby. What do you mean by brave? Brave ante ento cheptara. Evarana brave means very dare and dashing person. One who doesn't fear about anything. One who is not afraid of anything. ఎవరిని చూసైనా ఎవరికైనా భయపడని వాళ్ళని మనం బ్రేవ్ అంటాం. ఏమంటాం? వాట్ వి కాల్ నన్న బ్రేవ్. ఓకే, see children, in your textbook on the first page they have given a picture and they told to color the picture. Okay, you have to do this activity at home. Now coming to the story, Nana, this story about a North American chief and a brave baby. A story is between a American ante those one who lives in America, means this story from the America. This story is from the American chief and baby. This story took place between an American chief and baby and a baby, brave baby. ఓకే, ఎవరి మధ్యలో జరిగింది నాన్న ఈ స్టోరీ? అమెరికన్ చీఫ్, బ్రేవ్ బేబీ మధ్యలో జరిగింది ఈ స్టోరీ. బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ పర్సన్స్ దిస్ స్టోరీ టుక్ ప్లేస్. సి వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ మెంబర్స్. మనం ఇప్పుడేం నేర్చుకున్నాం? వాట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు లెర్న్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్ బిట్వీన్ ఇన్ దీస్ టూ పర్సన్స్. ఓకే, the chief was brave and fierce. Fierce means nana dangerous. చీఫ్ ఎలా ఉన్నాడు? ఫియర్స్ అండ్ dangerous. Okay, the chief, who is an American chief, was very brave and also very dangerous. So many people were afraid of him. All the people afraid of this chief. Okay, because he was very dangerous, not only brave but also dangerous. But a wise old woman said, I know someone who is not afraid of you. One day an old woman went to the American chief and told him, there is a boy who doesn't afraid of you. ఏం జరిగింది? ఒక రోజు ఒక ఓల్డ్ లేడీ అమెరికన్ చీఫ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఏం చెప్తుంది నాన్న? there is a boy who doesn't afraid of you. అంటే నువ్వంటే భయపడని వాడు కూడా ఒకడున్నాడు అని చెప్తుంది. there is a boy who not afraid of you. The chief was surprised. అంటే ఈయనేమనుకుంటున్నాడు? వాట్ ద అమెరికన్ చీఫ్ ఈజ్ థింకింగ్ దట్ no all the members in the country were afraid of him. But when old lady said there is someone who is not afraid of you, he was surprised. అంటే ఆశ్చర్యపోయాడు. ఓహో, నన్ను చూసి కూడా భయపడని వాడు ఒకడున్నాడా అని ఆశ్చర్యపోయాడు. ఓకే, now see children, next what happens? Let us see. Who is this man? He cried. Show him to me. Now when the old lady went near to the American chief and told him that there is someone who is not afraid of you, So the American chief asked, who is that person? ఏం అడిగాడు అమెరికన్ చీఫ్? లెట్ మీ షో, నాకు చూపి, అతను ఎవరో, నన్ను చూసి భయపడని వాడెవడో నాకు చూపియాల్సిందే అని అడుగుతాడు. ఎవరిని అడుగుతాడన్నా? టు whom he is asking? He is asking to the old women who came to him and said that somebody there who is not afraid of you. Now see children, what happens next. The old woman took him to her tent. Where is the man? Asked the chief. I cannot see him. It is not a man, said the old woman. It is Vaso, the baby girl. Now here see. Now American chief asked, who is that person who is not afraid of me? Let me to see that person. So the old woman took this American chief to the tent where she was living. ఈమె ఎక్కడైతే ఉంటుందో అక్కడికి ఈ అమెరికన్ చీఫ్ ని తీసుకొని వెళ్ళింది. ఎందుకు తీసుకొని వెళ్ళింది మా? వై షీ టుక్ హిమ్ టు షో ద పర్సన్ who is not afraid of the American chief. Okay, understood? Who is not afraid of the American chief. So they went near to the tent of the old lady. There he asked, American chief asked, where is that person? Where is that man who is not afraid of me? Where is that man who is not afraid of me? So the old lady said, it is not a man, she is a girl. Yavarame? Girl. A girl who's Vaso. Who is that? Vaso. A girl named Vaso. Okay. It is not a man, said the old woman. It is Vaso, the baby girl. Vaso sat on a blanket playing with a stick. That when these two members, American chief and old lady, went to the tent where this girl was sitting, what that she was doing? She was sitting on a blanket and she was playing with a stick. Why is this baby not afraid of me? Said the chief. Everyone is afraid of me. Come here, child, he cried. Now he called the girl near to him. Who called? American chief called. But Vaso only smiled at him. Come here, I said. The chief was angry with the little girl. When the American chief called this girl did not go to the American chief. She smiled. But again he called, come here, girl. What he called again? Come here. Now he becomes angry. Now he became angry. కోపం వచ్చింది. ఒకసారి పిలిస్తే రానప్పుడు కోపం వస్తుంది కదా, అలానే ఇతనికి కూడా కోపం. Angry means కోపం. Okay children, next scene Anna, what happens? Why is this baby not afraid of me? Said the chief. Everyone is afraid of me. Everybody in this country was afraid of me. Why this girl is not afraid of me? Come here, child, he cried. But Vaso only smiled at him. But the girl smiled at him. Come here, I said. Right, Nannanu anantadu malli. No, the chief was angry with the little girl. Vaso stopped smiling and looked up at the chief. Now when again he called with angriness, she stopped smiling. Navadam apesi chief kalli chusindi. What she saw, you must do as I say, child, shouted the chief. Vaso looked at him and she began to cry. When she saw the American chief said, నేను చెప్పినట్టు నువ్వు వినాలి అని అంటాడు. అప్పుడు ఈ అమ్మాయి ఏం చేసింది? What this girl did? She started crying. What this girl did, Nana? She started crying. Okay. Now see children, Vaso cried and cried but still would not go to the chief. ఏడ్చింది కానీ అమెరికన్ చీఫ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళలేదు. But she did not go near to the American chief. She cried for a lot of time but she did not go near to the American chief. So the chief began to dance. It was a special dance, a dance to make people do as he said. Now there is a trick with him. ఒక ట్రిక్ ఉంది అమెరికన్ చీఫ్ దగ్గర. ఎవరైనా అతని మాట వినకపోతే ఒక డాన్స్ వేసేవాడు అనమాట. హీ యూస్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ ఆ డాన్స్ టు మేక్ ద పీపుల్ టు లిసన్ హిస్ వర్డ్స్. మనుషుల్ని తన మాట వినిపించుకోవడానికి ఒక రకమైన డాన్స్. నా హియర్ ఆల్సో హీ అప్లైడ్ దిస్ ట్రిక్. ఇక్కడ కూడా అదే ట్రిక్ వాడాడు. ఇట్ వాజ్ అ స్పెషల్ డాన్స్, a dance to make people do as he said. Now Vasu stopped crying. She liked the dance. She looked up at the chief and she smiled. When the American chief started dancing, this girl who was crying stopped crying and looked at the American chief again. The chief did another dance to make her come to him, but Vasu only laughed. ఇంకొకసారి డాన్స్ వేసాడు. ఈసారి డాన్స్ వేస్తే ఏడు పాపింది. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ హీ థాట్, ఇఫ్ అగైన్ హీ విల్ డాన్స్ ద గర్ల్ వుడ్ కమ్ టు హిమ్. బట్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, సీ హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్. ద చీఫ్ డాన్స్డ్ సమ్ మోర్ బట్ స్టిల్ ద బేబీ డిడ్ నాట్ డూ యాజ్ హీ సెడ్. ఇంకా డాన్స్ వేసినా కూడా అమ్మాయి అతని మాట వినలా. స్టిల్ షీ డిడ్ నాట్ గో టు హిమ్. ద చీఫ్ డాన్స్డ్ అండ్ డాన్స్డ్. వాసు స్మైల్డ్ అండ్ లాఫ్డ్ అండ్ దెన్ షీ ఫెల్ అస్లీప్. డాన్స్ వేసి వేసి అలిసిపోయి నిద్రపోయింది. నవ్వి నవ్వి నిద్రపోయింది అమ్మాయి. షీ యూస్ టు అబ్జర్వ్ ద డాన్స్ ఆఫ్ అమెరికన్ చీఫ్. షీ లాఫ్డ్ అండ్ లాఫ్డ్ అండ్ లాఫ్డ్ అండ్ షీ బికమ్స్ టైర్డ్ అండ్ షీ slept, but she did not go near to the American chief. You see, said the old woman to the chief, here is someone who is not afraid of you. You are right, said the chief. Vasu is a braver than me. She is a very brave baby. The chief was not too tired to be angry anymore. He liked the brave baby. He lay down in the tent and fell fast asleep. Next, what happened when the girl slept away? Now the old lady again said to the king that, did you observe? Said to the chief that, did you observe that girl did not come to you even though you called so many times? So the girl was a brave girl, brave baby. And the American chief also agreed with the old lady, and he also felt very tired. He also slept in the same tent. Okay, this is the story of a brave baby, children. Tomorrow we will discuss new words related to the chapter. What we will learn tomorrow, Nana? New words related to the chapter. Have a nice day, all of you.